I've heard a story, I've heard it said, I've come to believe that love is a bet. Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose, and sometimes it calls you.
It is the first full weekend that we have to work on the log house renovation. We started last Sunday. Today is August 28th, just to give you an idea, 2021. And we started last Sunday and we just kind of picked away at it all week. So progress has been kind of slow. We have a full weekend this weekend and we have a lot planned. We are going to try to start washing the logs on the house and getting it clean so then we can apply the insecticide to it to help prevent any like wood burrowing insects. I had originally started by this week working on taking out all the caulk and the seams, but then Brantz had a good idea that we probably should leave the caulk if we're going to be washing the walls, because as we are taking this apart, we are actually seeing daylight in the house. So we're going to start to wash the logs. Let me show you. All right, so this is what I have to wash the logs with. It is the Perma-Chink log wash. And it says it's a liquid concentrate for cleaning and conditioning wood surfaces. It removes dirt, dust, and pollen from log surfaces, will not harm existing finishes, also cleans chinkings and sealants, and contains no chlorine bleach. And then I think the other thing that's kind of nice about all of these products, the majority of the products are eco-friendly, and they're also low VOC, so you don't need to worry about toxins and things like that. And this is so gentle that I can use it without wearing gloves. So I think what I need to do, I had 2 cups of log wash in 1 second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 cups of log wash for every 1 gallon of water. And I'm going to mix it. The stronger the solution is suitable for cleaning bare or previously stained wood surfaces before applying an application a new coat of Lifeline. Log wash is not suitable for removing existing finishes or eliminating all types of discolorations due to weathering, tannin stains, or water stains. So this isn't going to take any of the stain off of this log, or it's not going to repair the logs from the weathered. As you can see, the logs are a gray color, and that means that there has been no stains applied to this, or no sealants, which is good and bad. It's good because we don't have to strip the logs when we go to restain and seal them, but it's bad because obviously they were exposed to the elements, so it's caused more damage to the logs long term. So I'm going to put 2 cups of this in here, and I'm going to wet the logs first, and then I'm just going to work with a garden hose and some semi-soft bristle brushes, and I'm going to start from the bottom of the logs, working my way up to wash them and the chinking, and then I'll come back later and I'll hose it down from the top to the bottom, and I'll do this to all surfaces of the house. Today we're aiming to get the front porch done and the left side of the house. Hey Brantz, what side is this called? The north or the side? The south side. So we're aiming to get the front of the house washed and the south side of the house, and then Brantz is continuing to take off the southwest side of some of the T111. There are some hornet's nests underneath it, so that's going to be a little bit of a chore trying to get those off. As we've been pulling off the siding, though, we've been finding obviously hornet's nests, termite tunnels, mouse bedding and housing. So it's just been a wonderful place for insects and rodents, to be honest with you. So hopefully we can clean this place up and put some new life back into it. Later this weekend, we're probably going to be traveling to Maryland, which is just south of us, and we're going to be buying some replacement logs for the house. We kind of came to the conclusion that there are some logs that are they're not in good shape, and if we were going to try to salvage them, it would be more expensive to try and salvage them with the putty and things like that, and it would be more cost effective and long term probably better cosmetically and structurally to try to replace the logs entirely. So that's going to be, when we get to that point, a whole new ball game for us. It's definitely something that we've never done before, so I'm kind of excited to try something new, but also scared too. We have to jack the house up to do that, so that'll be pretty intense. So that's what we have on the docket for this weekend. Cleaning the house. I am cleaning the house, washing it. We're still burning the siding. Brantz has to finish removing the siding and the furrows. The furrowing, I think that's what it is. And then we will at some point go to Maryland to pick up those logs too. So stay tuned. This bucket says it's 5 gallons, but just to kind of get a rough measurement, I have like an old chocolate milk gallon that I'm gonna fill up, and I'll do it a few times so I know how many gallons is in there, just to measure. Can you help me? Ah, you are strong. 1 gallon. Can you count with me? Comes after 1. Remember? Thumbs up. What comes after 1? 2. Can you say 2? Yeah. 2.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
Okay, so 4 gallons, it pretty much came up to this first ring, which is perfect. So now I'm going to add the log wash.
Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty.
So that was, this was 4 gallons and 8 cups of log wash. And then it says right here that each gallon of log wash will clean 150 to 200 square feet of wall surface. All right, here we go. Now I'm going to wet the logs.
I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes and a car for 2. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I